I'm gonna walk you through basically how I create a sub-agent, how I train one, and how it is used. Let's start with how it is used. This is my Claude, which is the software writing AI. He has a couple of agents built in, and what ends up happening is if you ask it for a very specific task that is related to an agent, for example, this right here, this is an agent called for mobile tab builder. And just to give you context, it's not that complex. Actually, let's do this. It's basically a file with instructions. It's got a name. It's got a description of what it's supposed to do, and basically a full protocol, what sub-agent's responsibilities are, and then what it's supposed to do on the technical part and also on the visual. It's basically it. So we need to train one of those that specializes in something else. How do I do that? It's pretty easy. So this file right here is called a Markdown document, and it's pretty simple. It's just text, MD with at the end, and it's the only one that can be read by the AI. That's how you do it. So you open the ChatGPT Premium and say, give me a sample of what sub-agent looks like in ND format. It already knows, but it's gonna give you some generic stuff, right? It already knows what I'm looking for, so give me this. Cool. Take this, copy it. No, don't copy it. Because he understands the assignment. His sample looks like. So what you do is give me 8,000 character instructions on how to create pages. Read the instructions. If you want to read it, you don't. Just copy it. And now when you create a new project, what's it? Go to instructions, add instructions here, save it. Now you can ask this sub-agent to do something for you. So for example, I'm trying to build a sub-agent that helps me do financial analysis. How do I train it to do this? As of now, this window only knows what large language model knows, which is ChatGPT, and also what you provided in the instructions. So one of the easiest ways to do it is to introduce more context, which is this right here. So you can do it from the two different ways. You have an article, fundamental analysis, principal types, and how to use it. Basically beginner level over here. So you take this and you can say summarize and give me downloadable ND file. See, it's gonna read the information. This is you training it, and then you download this Markdown file. Where is it? You should trust one before clear. Right? Okay, if it's giving me something that I didn't ask for, it doesn't work. Just do it again. ND file. Download it, and then you want to go back to the sub-agent training, and you want to add the file right here. So you drag, go back, and you can do the same thing with the video. Take the video that you think is valuable or by someone reputable. This one's got million views. Insert, give me the file. It already understands what I'm asking you to do, so it's a Markdown file. Click here to download. Can't click here. Give me download link. More often than not, you have to elaborate. Plus, this is ChatGPT 5 is available now, so it should be smarter to use. Go back, add another file. This one's in the video. And then you can have up to 20 of these different files, whether you have 20 videos, whether you have 20 different, or you can add your own file as well, your own description of what it is. But basically, this is it in the sub-agent training. Now what you're trying to say, create, give me a new file. So agent that specializes in training. The sub-agent has a name, has the role, just like the first file that I showed you. And it's built from the two files. See this? Now, if you want to say, I want to add another video, you can make version 1.1. You can make version 2.2, 2.3, or 4.0, and you just keep iterating and making it better by adding more information to it. So, okay, I'll show you. Where's the file itself? Fundamental analysis trainer sub-agent. That's what I can do. I would just copy it. You rename it to, I'm going to show you. This is the file. Then I can insert inside of Claude, which is here. And it's going to be used the same way something like this can be used. Backend architect. All right. So next time I want to train someone on fundamental analysis or create games about fundamental analysis or create curriculum, this would be a sub-agent that is helping me develop it. And this is a very basic level, and it has the minimal amount of training, which is only one article, one video. But if you continue to do it, if you continue to iterate and improve in it, eventually it's going to be an expert in the field. And then when you ask it to develop something else, you can also have separate educational sub-agent. You can have an agent that considers who's a writer. You can have another one who is a game designer, and all of them can work in parallel while creating the curriculum or creating any type of content. It would work like this. You would have your main window, which is Claude, the one that writes code, and it's gonna have, let's say you ask it to design games to teach fundamental analysis, and then it's gonna use 1, 2, 3 different sub-agents at the same time, and each one of them are gonna do the job of allowing the Claude code to focus on something instead of just searching the web for answers. You got 1, 2, you got 3 experts in the field, all working simultaneously to give you the best result, and that's it.